When it comes to mortgage note investing, one of the most critical, yet often overlooked, steps is due diligence. So what is due diligence and why does it matter so much? The due diligence is the process of thoroughly researching and analyzing a note before you buy it. It is your opportunity to look under the hood, to verify the value of the property, to assess the borrower's repayment behavior, and to review the terms of the note. And simply here's why it's so essential. Because first, due diligence helps you to minimize risk. Not every note is a good investment. By examining the payment history, the property condition, the lien position, and market value, you avoid buying notes that's tied to distressed or overvalued assets, or to borrowers who are unlikely to pay. Skipping this step could mean that buying a note that's more of a liability than an opportunity. Second, it secures your position as a note holder. You want to ensure that you're actually in a first lien position, well, if you so choose. But it gives you that legal right to foreclose if necessary. You'll also confirm that the paperwork is complete. It is legal and enforceable. Without that, your rights as a lender could be weakened or even lost. And third, due diligence lays the foundation for a profitable investment. It gives you the data to make informed decisions, negotiate better pricing, and choose notes that align with your risk tolerance and return goals. With the right analysis, you're not guessing, you're strategically investing. Remember, mortgage note investing isn't just about earning passive income. It's about protecting your capital while creating consistent cash flow secured by real estate. If you have any questions about how due diligence work or how to get started with note investing, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help you take the next step towards becoming the bank.